Greetings, everybody. I am ecstatic today, and the reason I'm ecstatic is because I watched the last session of the California Reparations Task Force. That was astonishing. It was absolutely astonishing. Everyone should watch that. So, the question is, why, as an energy worker, would I be interested in reparations? Well, that takes reading the 600 some odd page report to the California legislature to get them to just determine if there are reasons that people of African descent in the United States of America. There's substantial evidence for reparations being owed to people of Black African descent in California. And as California goes, so goes the nation, is the saying. So I implore you to listen, read these task force proceedings. Energy workers are needed to heal not only the repair in the African descendant community, but where we live, in this country where we live, and thereby in the world. Because as our transformation goes, so goes the world's transformation. And you must take a good, close look. There are many, many reasons we should be working on one another's energy to improve our stamina, increase our heart space, raise our level of vibrational frequency, enhance our rhythm and flow, our ease and flow.